Are you craving something sweet but short on ingredients? We've got you covered with 5 amazing 2-ingredient desserts. All right, dessert lovers, let's jump right in. First up, banana ice cream. Just freeze some bananas, blend them up, and voila! Creamy, dreamy, and oh so good. Next, chocolate truffles. Melt some chocolate, mix in cream cheese, roll into balls, and enjoy. Fancy and easy. Third on our list, peanut butter cookies. Mix peanut butter and sugar, bake them, and you've got scrumptious cookies in minutes. Let's talk Nutella brownies. Just mix Nutella and eggs, bake, and sink your teeth into gooey goodness. Finally, strawberry sorbet. Blend frozen strawberries and a bit of honey for a refreshing treat. There you have it. 5 quick and delicious 2-ingredient desserts. Happy indulging!